Okay guys, it's Reed once again. It's time for another exciting product review. Today I'm reviewing the Oreo Blizzard from Dairy Queen. I love these. These are my favorite. Out of all the Blizzards, I love Oreo the best. I just do. I can't explain it. I've tried almost every one of them. Almost every one. But this is my favorite. The Oreo Blizzard from Dairy Queen. You cannot go wrong with it, folks. Absolutely, it is amazing. I just love Oreos. I mean, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. It's unbelievable. As always, if you want me to review a product, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll gladly get to it very soon. Very soon. So anyway, let's give this amazing treat a sample, because I've not had one in like a month. So I've never really tried to review one. I just know they're great. But I'm going to give this a review. It's absolutely amazing. It's unbelievable. I love Oreos. And I love Blizzards. Oreo Blizzard. You can't go wrong. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Man, that's good. There's no doubt about it, folks. Oreo Blizzard is a 5 out of 5. It's unbelievable. I mean, look at this. Look at how beautiful that is. That right there. You know, a lot of people say heaven is a place on earth. That song, you know, that song, not people, but the song says heaven is a place on earth. I believe the Dairy Queen Oreo Blizzard is heaven on earth. I really do. I mean, America, a great country. Where else in America, what other country can you eat as bad as we do and live 80 years old? Only in America. Only in America. So anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. This is unbelievable. You know, I got a small because I don't know how people eat those large Blizzards and stuff like that. I can't figure it out. I mean, I can barely eat a small one. I guess some people just can eat more than I can. But anyway, these are amazing. I can't recommend these enough. The Oreo Blizzard from Dairy Queen. All the Blizzards, they're all good. But the Oreo is my favorite. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Man, my pants are wet.